Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to understand and navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you've ever found political terms confusing or wanted to improve your ability to follow political discussions in English, you're in the right place. Here, we break everything down in a simple and practical way so you can use these terms with confidence. In today's video, we'll cover political science terms explained in English. These are key terms that will help you understand political systems, government structures, and political debates. Let's get started. First, let's define government. A government is the system that controls and manages a country. Governments can take different forms, such as democracy, monarchy, and dictatorship. In the United States, the government is a democratic republic, meaning citizens elect representatives to make decisions on their behalf. Next, we have separation of powers. This is the principle that divides government responsibilities into three branches: the legislative branch, which makes the laws; the executive branch, which enforces the laws; the judicial branch, which interprets the laws. This system ensures that no single branch has too much power. Another key term is constitution. A constitution is the highest legal document in a country, outlining how the government operates and protecting citizens' rights. In the U.S., the Bill of Rights refers to the first 10 amendments of the Constitution, which guarantee freedoms like speech and religion. Now, let's talk about legislation. Legislation refers to the process of making and passing laws. A bill is a proposed law that must go through Congress before it can be approved by the president. If the president rejects it, that's called a veto. You might also hear the term civil rights. Civil rights are legal protections that guarantee equal treatment for all citizens. These rights include freedom of speech, the right to vote, and protection against discrimination. Another important concept is checks and balances. This system allows different branches of government to limit each other's power, ensuring that no branch becomes too dominant. Finally, let's talk about public policy. Public policy refers to the actions taken by the government to address issues like healthcare, education, and the economy. Political debates often focus on different approaches to shaping public policy. By learning these political science terms, you'll be better prepared to understand political discussions, follow government decisions, and engage in debates with confidence. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.